It's Monday, March 20th. It's my niece's birthday, and it's my husband's and my 19th wedding anniversary. So how about that? It's bronze this year, just in case you needed to know what the 19th wedding anniversary was. So my husband looked at me this morning, he goes, "What's 20?" And I said, "I don't know, let me Google it." Googled it, and I was like, "Oh, it's emerald." I'll probably get a green sweater. Who knows? Anyway, I want to tell you while I'm thinking about it is if you are within driving distance and close by here and not in Illinois or Ohio or somewhere like that, I want to remind you that the Southern Pines Garden Tour is having its 75th garden tour this April 15th, which is a Saturday. And it's beautiful. I think there's 5 homes that you get to tour. And here at Bella Filati, I am an associate member. I'm not an active member, but I'm an associate member, and I help do the flowers when it's time. But we are selling tickets right here at Bella Filati. So if you need a ticket, we have it for you. They are $30 a piece, and that gets you into all the houses. So anyway, just wanted to give them a little pitch. All right. Finally, I got back in some Woobles. I don't have all her designs, but I have several of her designs. These are adorable beginning crochet kits. Just perfect to learn to crochet for beginners, right? So we have the little bluebird, and they're only 4 inches by 3 inches when they're finished. So they're just small, but simple. And it has everything in it that you need. It has the yarn, there's a step-by-step video. There's a piece that's already been started. You get the hook, the stuffing, the plastic eyes, a yarn needle, and online instructions. Fantastic. I think this was begun by a woman in Cary, North Carolina. So yay for her. I think she's been very, very successful. So I have the bluebird, and I have the dragon, which I love. I think they call it the dragon. I don't know. It looks, the dinosaur. I'm sorry. The dinosaur. He's so cute. And last but not least, we have the fox, which is very appropriate for our horseback hunt country around here, chasing the fox. So all of these, each one is $35 and everything's included. So what a great gift for somebody who wants to learn how to crochet, right? Yay. All right, we just got them back in. Happy day. All right. Beautiful day today. Chilly willy, but it's beautiful. I love this cold weather. So I think we're supposed to be up to 85 by Friday maybe. Oh, too soon. Anyway, happy spring tonight, right? First day of spring. All kinds of good stuff happens on March 20th. All right, that's it for me. I will see you tomorrow.